Now, what if I say you can actually make up to $500 online right now every week? Yes, guys, you can actually make up to $500 every week working legitimately. Was how I'm going to show you guys this without capital, guys. Without capital, just drop servicing. Now, this is the part one of this video. If you want to actually get more of this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Just comment down on the comment section. Just comment, yeah, sorry for the light off. Just comment down drop service, and I will notice you and give you a heart. Okay, guys, so let's get straight into this video on how to actually do this for yourself. So first of all, you need to know that you must be persistent and also hardworking on this on the online space, because almost everyone actually want to be on the online space, and there are a lot of people that are on the online space which are wanting to make money, and it's really hard for some people. That's why you need to follow people that are actually doing this. So first of all, you need to actually build your brand. Now, what is actually building your brand? First of all, you need to build your brand in social media. Yeah, in all social medias like Facebook. As you can see, this is Facebook. Just create an account. Is actually free. Create an account with your brand. And Instagram, also just create your brand on Instagram too. It's actually free. And I'm going to give you guys 4 space where you can actually create your brand and get free traffic from there. And the last will blow your mind, because you can actually get more traffic from the last one. So the third one on our list is actually from this company called Twitter. I'm sure most of us know about Twitter, but first of all, this is Instagram. Okay, so let's go to Twitter, and so most of us know about Twitter. Please, my links are gonna be in the description box below. Just follow me, follow your boy on Instagram, Dominion_Audu, and on Twitter, Dominion_Audu1. Yeah. So the next one on our list is gonna be, okay, as you can see there, this the Instagram. So the next one on our list is actually Twitter. TikTok, guys. TikTok is actually a cool brand to actually get millions of views. Yeah, millions of views. And when your brand is actually getting millions and also millions of views, you know what you're actually doing, that you are pushing your brand to a really high space to actually getting more client and more money for yourself. So I'm going to show you guys a whole lot right now. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do this for yourself. So first of all, you need to know that you build your brand, and second of all, you need to know that how to source for clients. Now I'm going to show you guys how or where you can actually source for these clients, and they come here to actually give you the job to get it done for yourself. So the next one, the first one on our list, is actually called Neraland. Yes, guys, Neraland is actually a forum where you can actually source for plenty and millions of people online. Yeah, as you can see, as at this time right now when I'm recording this video, there are over 1,000 people online on Neraland. As you can see it on the screen, over 1,000 people on Neraland online right now, right here. 1,025 members online, and also 3,000 plus guests in the last 5 minutes. So you know that you are actually getting thousands of clients on this site. That's if you actually work legitimately, work perfectly. So the next forum, the next space on our list is actually called Quora. Yeah, Quora is actually a $1 million space. Is actually a question and answer space where you can actually ask questions and get answers for yourself. But there's actually more to that, because you can actually do this, and you make money out of Quora. But most of you don't know that you can actually make cool traffic from Quora. Now Quora is actually a site that gets millions of views every month. And okay, like, so let's go to the next one, because I've shown you guys. But if you want a detailed video on this, please just drop a like for me, and also tell me in the comment section you want a detailed video about this, and I'm going to notice you and I'm going to do it for you. So now the next thing you've got to do is just to get it done by pros. Now once you actually get a job from these clients, you just give it to professionals to actually do the job, and you make money for yourself. So when you give it out to professionals, they are going to do it for you, and you charge them a little amount of what these clients actually paid you. You charge them and they get it done for you. You send it to your clients, and that's all work done for yourself. That's cool cash for yourself. It's actually like an arbitrage, yeah, still an arbitrage system. Now you are making cash for yourself. So if we come to Fiverr right now and we search for website design, so as you can see, there are different niches here. This guy is actually starting from $5 to actually build a professional website for you, but it's actually low. You will choose his high amount, because first of all, your clients can actually pay you a $500 per work. Yeah, $500 or even $1,000 for just a site, and you can actually come here, hire someone very lower than that, and you make cool cash for yourself. You just get it done by that person, and you make money for yourself. So as you can see here, this guy is actually, let's get into his profile. So as you can see here, he says responsive website in 8 hours, instant delivery, guys, just starting from $5 you can actually give him. And he create this cool site for you, and you get to deliver it to your clients, and without even knowing that you didn't spend even half of the amount this client actually paid you. So this is what we're actually talking about. So you can make cool cash for yourself. So as I've shown you guys where you can actually get traffic, showing you guys where you can actually source for these clients also. That's actually it for that. And if you come over to this page also, you can see that there are different stuffs here. This is the next freelancing site, which is actually called Upwork, as most of you that are actually following me on this channel actually know very well. I use Upwork for most of my things, and also Fiverr. And okay, so if you come over here to Upwork and we search for website design, just search for either web design or website design, is still the same. Okay, let's just search for web design and actually see what we are going to get for ourselves. So first of all, okay, so sorry, my network is kind of slow. I am typing, but okay, let's just give it a while. So as it's kind of loading right now, please actually encourage me by hitting the like button and also subscribing to this channel so it's help us growing. So what that bell icon actually does is that when I drop awesome videos like this, YouTube is going to send you a notification that Dominion just published a new video, and you're going to be the first to get it, guys. So first of all, okay, so let's search for website design, and we click on search bar. So let's search it and see what we are going to find for ourselves. So here on Upwork right now, as you can see, there are different niches here. This guy is actually going to build a website for you for as low as just $35. You can see here $22, but it's actually $22 per hour. So if this guy is actually working the website for you for 5 hours, then you can actually pay him 100 plus, and you can still negotiate with these clients on this chat space, because you can actually chat with the client, and negotiate what you want to actually do for this client and how much you're going to pay this client. So that's literally what I'm talking about. So as you can see, there are different um people here which will actually do this stuff done for you within some hours, and you just deliver it to your client, and you get paid. So first of all, second of all, guys, let's go to the next page for today, because I don't want this video to be very long, but I'm just giving you guys detailed a kind of little explanation of it. But if you want a detailed video, just give it a like, and also just share this video, and just comment down in the comment section, tell me you want the full video of this, and I'm going to give it to you. I am going to create it and give it to you, but it's going to be a full detailed video. But no problem, I'm still going to do it for you. So if you come over here to Fiverr and search for graphics design, so as you can see, graphics designer here now, there are different professional logos here. As you can see, this guy is actually going to do this job for you for $10, just $10, and you get this done. Let's say your client actually gives you $100 to $200 to actually do professional graphics. Just come over here and give this person, and you keep the rest change for yourself. So as you can see here, there are prices ranging from $5 $10 to, but I don't think you can actually go for the $5, because it might not meet your client's budget or something. So just go for something maybe $20 or $10 to $15, and you keep the rest change for yourself. So that's it about this. Is actually still an arbitrage system, because it's actually getting something done with a lower amount and actually selling it at a higher amount. So right now, if you come to Upwork here and also search for graphics design, as you can see here, these are people that will still do this graphics designing job for you for just $40 $30, and legitimate sweet design, and you are making money for yourself. But please note that you can still chat these clients up, you can still chat these freelancers up, and they'll get it done for you at the lower rate. Yeah, they are still humans like us, and they also need money, we also need money. So just chat them up, they would actually reply you, and tell you the lowest price they can actually get this done for you. So this is what the next one. So please, guys, this is my actually Instagram handle. It is going to still be in the description box below. Check it out in the description box below. Just follow your boy on Instagram, follow your boy on Twitter. With that being said, without much ado, we are going to get straight into the next one. So this is actually my Instagram account. So let's please and please let's go to my Twitter account. So I'll show you guys. So this is my Twitter account, and I just have 12 followers and 500 plus followers on Instagram. So please guys follow me, or you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. All links are still going to be in the description box below. As you can see, I'm going to post different things for you guys, different updates there, different. That's where I actually have more followers there. Sure. So guys, first of all, so this is actually my YouTube channel. We have actually come to the end of this session, but please and please don't forget to actually follow your boy, please subscribe to the channel, and that's it for this video. Please support my channel by actually hitting the like button as I said earlier, and also subscribing to the channel if you haven't. And if you have subscribed yet, if you have subscribed already, thank you very, very much for subscribing. And as you can see here, just please comment down, just comment drop service, or comment down something nice on the comment section, or just request for the full video, and I'm still going to give you guys. So just like the video, and also number two, just subscribe please. Subscription is actually free. Yeah, subscription is free. And also comment down in the comment section, just comment drop service, or just request for the video. I am still going to give you guys next in my next video, yeah, in my upcoming videos. Yeah, sure. Next one is actually, please and please share this video, guys. Share this video with your loved ones, share this video with your friends that want to actually make money for themselves. And that being said, and without much ado, that will be the end of this video. That'll be the end of this tutorial. Thank you very, very much for watching this whole video. If you actually made it to the end of this video, please comment down in the comment section. Just tell me you made it to the end, and I'm going to hack your like, and I will see appreciate you there. So thank you very, very much for watching, and that'll be all for today, and peace.